Wyatt here from Wyatt's Reviews, and I just want to make this quick little video on this Westclock's alarm clock. Really nothing special about it. I got this a little while ago when I got that white Westinghouse stereo system over there. I got it at the Salvation Army for $1.99. So, sorry for the noise. That's my fan right there. Yeah, I rearranged it. I have a poly perk and yeah. Anyway, and I also have that box fan. I broke two of the blades off, and I got it today, actually. Okay, but back. Enough getting off topic. I'll plug it in for you. Right. So, as you can see, it works. You have to press time, minute, time to set the so, and that's the alarm control right there. So yeah, thanks for watching. More to come later.